Professional Vtuber models are very expensive, but did you know that you can create a Vtuber model for free? All you need is a PC and VRoid Studio, which allows you to create a 3D Vtuber model without spending money. So let's get started and create a model together. When you open VRoid Studio, this is what it looks like. Here you can create a new model and you'll find yourself in a sort of a character editor. Anyone who has played games like The Sims or Skyrim will find this interface familiar. Before you start working on your model, there are two very important settings you should change. First, click on the menu and go to Look, Rim Light and Shading. There, set the intensity for hair, face and body to 0. This deactivates VRoid's default shadows, which can be pretty annoying if you want to achieve a more 2D style on your 3D VRoid model. And second, click on the Face tab and at the bottom left open the Expressions editor. Here you can adjust your model's expressions, and unfortunately the default values for the mouth are set way too high, which often causes clipping issues where the mouth extends below the chin, and that looks terrible. To avoid this, adjust the mouth's value for each expression from 100 down to about 30 to 40. Once that's done, you can start designing your VRoid model. In the character editor of VRoid Studio, there are pre-made presets for the face, hair, body, outfit and accessories for your Vtuber model. Oh, and of course you can also customize these presets to get a little bit more creative. For this Vtuber model, I'm going to create a female version of my model. So first, I need to adjust the face, including the eyes, nose and mouth. To give the female character as many piercings as my male VRoid model, I'll use the same skin texture. Next, we need a hairstyle, and I'm thinking of a sassy fringed look. To achieve this, I'll use different preset pieces and work on the hairstyle bit by bit. Now, let's move on to the body. You can modify the body type of your character to some extent. Here's a small tip. If you're not happy with the slider adjustments, you can enter the numbers directly. But be careful, because if you do this with the boob sliders, strange things might happen. Next, we need an outfit for our model. There are already many presets to choose from. However, if you don't like these outfits, there's a great way to expand your wardrobe using the website Booth. On Booth, you can find a lot of free textures for your VRoid model to make your character more unique. All you have to do is search for terms like VRoid hair texture or VRoid hoodie, and you'll find a wide selection of textures to use. Simply download them and import them with the Edit Texture option. I've already done this for the clothes I'm wearing, so I'll use them for this model too. You can also make small adjustments to the clothing, like tightening the sleeves or shrinking the hood. Accessories are also a must, so this character will get a pair of glasses. There are also things like cat ears or jewelry, but the options for accessories are a bit limited in VRoid Studio. Things like piercings, hair clips or wings are often made with VRoid's hair tool and textures, or added later using Blender or Unity. These are more advanced methods of using VRoid Studio, and Blender or Unity can be quite complicated if you're not familiar with that software. However, it's worth watching some tutorials on YouTube, because there are some features that are really useful for your VRoid models, like small tools to add more expressions. Once you're happy with your Vtuber model, just click Export as a VRM to export your model as a VRM file. To use your model, you only need a webcam, a microphone and the right software to track your model. For beginners, I recommend VSeeFace, as it's easy to use, but there are also more complex tracking software like Vroid on Steam.
Oh, and this is what I look like when I move. And I cute. Oh god, I can already see your cringe comments. Anyway, if you're ready to record your first videos, all you need is an app like OBS and a good strategy to start as a VTuber. Good thing I made a video about that. So go check out this video here. Come on, do it. What you waiting for? Click on the video. Come on, let's do it together.